In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan documents on iPhone. Now, for us to get this done, I'm just going to go ahead and look for the Notes app. So the Notes application is what we are going to use for this one. And then we're just going to go ahead and create a new notes by tapping or clicking this one right here. And from here, you're going to go ahead and click the camera right here and then click scan documents. Now, this time I want you to go ahead and look for that particular document that you have. So you have here auto, but you can actually switch this one to manual by clicking this one over here, just like so. And then if you're going to go ahead and click this one right here, this was again saved using auto. You can go ahead and just delete this one, just like so, and then you can go ahead and start over again in order for you to capture the image that you want. Okay, say for example this one, I'm going to go ahead and click this. Alright, so one image has been captured right now. Now we're going to go ahead and proceed. So I'm going to go ahead and click the keep scan button down here. There you go, and then you have the other page, so I'm just going to go ahead and try to make sure that it has been captured by that camera right there, just like so. And then I can go over and click the keep scan button right here. Alright, now say for example you are done already, you have already scanned 2 images. What you are going to do is just click the save button right here. You can go ahead and click that one, and then as you can see right here, you have the images that you have scanned. Now you can go over and send the entire note itself by clicking this one right here, and then you're going to go ahead and look for the option to send a copy. So this one right here, go ahead and click that one over there, and then you can go ahead and choose between the following method here, how you would like to send this to a particular person. Email is common, but you also have again different options, so go ahead and choose which one you're going to do. Now you can also save this one to your files here on your phone, or you can download this one. Now say for example, I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna give you another option on how to share this. Say for example, just the images that you want to share, not the entire notes itself. You can go ahead and long press this one right here, and then there is a share button right here. Go ahead and click that over there. And still the same thing as earlier, you have different way in order for you to share this to that particular someone. You also have save here, lucky download, and then print, of course. And yep, that is basically how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.